Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Steam. First, ensure you have the Epic Games launcher installed and Fortnite downloaded. Open the Steam client on your computer. Navigate to the Games menu at the top of the window. Select Add a non-Steam game to my library. This initial step is crucial for integrating Fortnite into your Steam experience, letting you access its features while playing. After selecting Add a non-Steam game, a new window will appear. Click Browse and locate the Fortnite executable file. This is usually found in your Epic Games installation directory under Fortnite game binaries Win64. Look for Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping, EXE. Select this file and click Open, then Add selected programs. This action links Fortnite to your Steam library, making it accessible directly from there. Once added, you can right-click the entry in your Steam library to rename it to simply Fortnite for clarity. You can also customize its icon and background art for a more integrated feel. Now, when you want to play, simply launch Fortnite from your Steam library. Steam will then open the Epic Games launcher, which in turn starts Fortnite. This method streamlines your gaming access. Playing Fortnite through Steam allows you to utilize Steam's in-game overlay, take screenshots easily, and access your Steam friends list while playing. Remember, this process doesn't bypass the Epic Games launcher. It simply uses Steam as a launch point. It's a convenient way to consolidate your game library. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your game!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.